In this lesson, I'm going to go through quadrilaterals and some of the properties about them so that you're aware of what the differences are. So here we have a bunch of quadrilaterals. They're all quadrilaterals because they all have four sides, exactly four sides, all of them. Okay? So let's take a look at the first one. This is a rectangle. It has four right angles and opposite sides are equal. So four right angles, that's what these little boxes are, and opposite sides are equal, okay? This one is equal to this one is equal to this one. That's what those lines mean. This is a parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides are equal. So this is parallel with this and it's also equal in length to this side. And same with these two. These two are parallel to each other and they're also equal to each other, the side length. Now we could look at this trapezoid. We could see that two sides are parallel. These two sides. Those are the properties of a trapezoid. This is a rhombus. A rhombus is basically a parallelogram but with four equal sides. So these are exactly the same length, and that's what that means for a rhombus. This is a square. It has four right angles and four sides are exactly the same length. Okay? And the final one is a kite. A kite has two pair of adjacent sides and the same length. Okay, so these two are adjacent to each other and they are the same length. These two are adjacent to each other and they are the same length. And those are the main properties of these parallel quadrilaterals. And if you need more information on other quadrilaterals, you'll find links to in the description to other videos of mine that I've done with some of these shapes. As well, what you could do is download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. And there's a link there that'll take you right to this lesson. And that you can find that in the description as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.